Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Say today is a Friday.
Today's Friday.
And I'm going to school.
And I'm going to school. I'm gonna have big cake.
Mommy's gonna drop you off because you were not done by the time the combi got here.
Yeah.
And you're wearing shorts.
Yes, that's because I like them.
You like shorts?
Yes,
okay.
That's because today's Friday. I'm wearing anything I want.
Okay, baby.
When after school, I'm gonna find Granny here. Okay. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, but you're gonna be gone.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Let me show them your teeth. You're already growing teeth inside. Say ah.
Ah.
She's already growing teeth inside before these ones come out. Lucky girl. Bye.
Bye.
I love you, okay?
Love you too. Let's go.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Yeah, it is a Friday like Riley said. I'm with my cousin. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're returning, thank you so much for your support. So yeah, I'm shooting another vlog, obviously. Yeah, we are currently in by main mall. We're just about to go in. We're still in the packing. So we're just here to buy. I want to get us a tone for my nails, and then I want to also buy. I have to buy some silicone not things for my scar from the operation that I had. Yeah, the plastic surgeon did say that the injections are not working as he had hoped that they would, so we should use the guys, I hope you guys can hear me. We should use the medication as well as the silicone things that I'm gonna buy. They kind of almost look like plasters, but they are not really plasters, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna get. They're really expensive, guys. They're really expensive, but yeah, I am gonna get those. And yeah, from here we're gonna get my mom. She went for a photo shoot. She looks so nice. We're gonna get my mom, and then we're gonna head back home. I have a client at 1 o'clock, and then yeah, that's all for today. I think we'll see. Let's go. Hi guys, I'm back home. So yeah, I went to Motswana pharmacy. This is what I initially went to buy. Well, the plastic surgeon didn't recommend this brand, but he said that be able to order for me because they don't keep any in store. So when I got there, they actually had this brand. I think it's okay. I'm going for a checkup this week, so I'll be able to ask him if this brand is okay, but I'm assuming they do the same thing. So this is how it looks like. So yeah, this is what it says. So yeah, it was 121.50. I actually need 4 of these so that when I wash these ones, I can be able to use the other ones, because yeah, I have to use them like all the time, only remove them when I'm bathing. So yeah, I will get another box. I don't know when. So I saw rose water and I thought, let me try this for my face. 37 bucks. Still at not on a pharmacy. Sorry. Then I went to Planet Nails. I got this acetone 1 liter. Then I got these gel tips, nail tips. So yeah, that's what I got. That side. So I also got this. It's actually a top, but it's really, really thick. It's a very thick material. Yeah, I really love this. I've been wanting this. So yeah, I got it. It was, how much was this? It was 35 pula by a Chinese shop next to Body Wrap in station by the Barakanolo police station side. Yeah, somewhere there. So yeah, I got this one. It has this thing. I don't know what you call it. But yeah, I really like this. They have it in different colors, but I opted for a black because it's such a neutral color. I can always get away with this. Yeah, I got this. There were no sizes, guys, so I just picked whatever I could see. Yeah, then I got these. Riley's gonna be so excited to see these. I got these. Yeah, for adults. I got these in a size 4. It fits me. I'm initially a size 5, but this fits me. So yeah, I got this for 30 pula by the same shop that I got this thing. So yeah, that's just about it, guys. I really like this. Riley has these in black, so when I saw these, I'm like, oh, we can actually wear our matching shoes on there. So yeah, I really like these. They're so comfortable too. I mean, I haven't worn them out, but yeah, Riley really, really loves these. But I got hers from Mr. Price. Yeah. Alrighty. That's all I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Hi guys. I've been sleeping. So yeah, my cousin and I are gonna make lasagna now for dinner. It's like 6 o'clock. We were supposed to start at 4. Not 4, I get half 4. But I was really tired, guys. Like, I was really, really tired. So I had to take a nap. So yeah, I literally just woke up. So we're gonna do that now. Literally. So we just start to shoot some clips for you guys. Okay. This is the finished product. This is how it looks. We're just gonna have this with some salad. And yeah, that's literally about it, guys. Hi guys. Today is a Saturday, and yeah, I just got back from work. We were doing something. So yeah, I just thought I should take myself out for breakfast. It's around past 11 now. So yeah, I just thought I should take myself out for breakfast. It's my first solo date. Very first. I'm kind of nervous, but it has to be done, okay? I've been feeling like breakfast. So yeah, I am going. I think I'm gonna go to Lengalonga. It's been a minute since I went there, and I really love that breakfast. Plus it's an all-day breakfast, so yeah, let's go. Oh guys, gonna plait my hair. I know, right? I actually wanted something that was gonna last me 2 weeks, and the lady charged me, I think, yeah, 70 pula. I did my hair when Riley was doing her hair, so yeah, it was 70 bucks for this. Oh, I'm in the process of removing my nails because I wanna redo them. I found something to do on my nails. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do it later on today, but I haven't removed the side yet because I take so long doing my own nails, so it's a long process. Okay. they don't sell the breakfast all day anymore. It's the cheap and cheerful. So yeah, I ordered a cheeseburger. So yeah, I was really hoping to get breakfast, but alright, we'll see. Apparently the burgers are good as well. I've never had one here, so we'll see. Hi guys, today I'm literally just bringing you the tired hand. Guys, I am so exhausted, I'm so sleepy. I think my eyes can tell. So yeah, I just got back from church. Oh, I'm in the car now outside church, so I am gonna go to Tapsi's house for lunch. Today Caitlin is cooking for us, and then yeah, rest a bit and then come back to church later on, as I do every Sunday. So yeah, I'm not going to the shops today because I'm tired. Tabs actually wanted us to go for a little bit of shopping, but I'm tired. Like literally I am exhausted. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I think when I get there I'm actually gonna take a nap. She wants to do her nails as well. I'm not sure if we'll manage, but we'll see. So yeah, I am going there now. I will show you guys my outfit when I get to her house. I think I'll try and do that, okay? If I don't manage, sorry.
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? The hanging gardens.
They want to do content.
Love, love, love.
YouTubers, for my lovely birthday. I enjoyed myself. I'm now by Hilton Inn, about to check in, sleep on some white sheets.
How did we see them?
Yeah, no way, girl. I'm enjoying myself. You only live once, guys,
Daughter,
so please live it to the fullest.
celebrate yourself.
Woo, I love my balloon. Thank you, guys. Tapsish, the one in London. It's not Tapsic. Tapsish.
God.
So please get it right. Thank you guys and my sweet
Happy birthday, baby.
birthday. Yes, baby.
What is your thought? What is it?
Doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try and to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you. Loved by you.
Hi guys. I really hope the car won't make noise. I'm running late to work. I was just gonna do a proper outro, but like I'm saying, I'm running late, so I just have to do it in the car so that I can add the last part and then upload the video. So yeah, I am uploading it today, this morning. This is exactly how I look today. So yeah, I just wanted to, I realized editing that I didn't talk to you guys after my very first solo date. The reason why I wanted to do a solo date is because I realized that I tend to be a little too dependent on other people. I've been wanting to go for breakfast. I've been wanting to just celebrate myself. Obviously, I found a job after a very long time. I've been wanting to celebrate myself for that. But it's kind of like I was waiting for people to at least join me do that. And yeah, I really have pending dates with my friends and stuff like that. So I just realized, sorry about the sun, okay? So I just realized that, you know what? 2021, it's actually one of the goals that I had, to just learn to celebrate myself and do stuff for myself. Like if people do it, that's a bonus, that's cool, that's fine. But before anything, I will do stuff for myself, especially stuff that make me happy. That's stuff that I really, really like. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do this year. And yeah, I'm really happy that I took the first step, which was a very brave step. So yeah, I really enjoyed myself being alone. Like guys, you literally never see me working in a mall alone, unless if I'm gonna see someone or I'm meeting someone at the mall. So that's what I'm talking about. Like that's literally how bad this is. So yeah, I'm changing those things this year, sweetie. Okay. So yeah. Ooh, the lighting, sweetie. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this vlog, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I'd be very happy if you do that. So yeah, this is how I'm looking, guys. Like I'm saying, I'm late. This thing kind of shows my nipples, so I had to put a scarf on top. Hey, Whitey, being late is not a joke. So yeah, bye guys. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. I didn't do my nails, I know.